Museums are the guardians of the past, and they hold the keys to the future. If you want to make a difference or do something worthwhile, there are so many lessons to be learned from those who have gone before us.
We should be explorers of the future, not caretakers, simply looking after and preserving all the artefacts in stuffy museums. I mean, take the Castle Museum, for example. It's interesting once.
I see a York of beautiful new buildings, housing exciting new projects, meaning that no one will ever think about York as the pretty-looking place you go through on the London-Edinburgh train. York needs to be the place you go to, not the place you go through.
How can a museum centred on chocolate possibly be boring?
Maybe I'll take a stroll down to the Chocolate Museum, eat my face out, and discover the history of the city that popularized chocolate in the first place.
I'll see you there.
It's a deal.